Hello Stampers! Welcome to 3D Thursday. Today I am going to show you how to make this cute little box. Now it just happens to be the perfect size to hold a Ghirardelli chocolate, and you know I love Ghirardelli chocolates, but it would also hold lots of other fun size little snack things like a box of Tic Tacs, small packs of gum, the little individual fun sizes of M&Ms, things like that. It's going to hold all of that kind of stuff. This is something that I received as a swap at the recent leadership event that I attended last month. And I sought her out because I thought it was such a cute box. I wanted one so that I could take it apart and learn how to make it myself. So to decorate this one, she simply cut out an image from the Sweet Treat Designer Series paper that is in the Occasions catalog. And it's super cute. She tied a little bow on it. But I decided what I wanted to do is I wanted to use some of the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. That is one of the celebration items right now. So it is super cute paper. I love it. It's color on one side and black and white designs on the other. And I just really love this paper. So I thought that is what I'm going to use to make my little box. So are you ready to get started? Let's do it. So to start off, you're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock. One of them is going to measure 2 by 4. And the second one is going to measure 2 by 4.5. Okay, so now we're going to take our Simply Score. We're going to take the 2 by 4 piece and we're going to score it at 1/2 inch and 1 inch, 3 inches and 3.5 inches. Okay, then we're going to take our 4.5 inch piece. We're going to score it at 1/2 inch and 1 inch, and that is it, just on the one side. Okay. So our one that we scored at 1/2 inch and 1 inch, you can go ahead and fold it on your score lines. And then we're going to take our punch here, tag punch, and then we're going to slide this in, and we're just going to punch one end of it. Okay. Then once you've got it folded, it's going to look like this. So now we're going to take our 4-inch piece and you're going to fold it on all of your score lines. What it is going to do is it is going to fit right over that, just like that. Okay? So I'm going to use my tear and tape and I'm just going to put it on the 2 back ends, okay? The 2 tabs on the ends. So that piece and then this one right here. Okay, so just on the 2 end panels. Then I'm going to take one of them off. And this gets a little tricky to get it lined up, but I want to line it up, folded, so that it just meets right there at the fold and goes right along just like that. Okay, so it looks just like that. Then I want to fold this piece in, and this is going to come around and slide right in there. Okay, so I need to take the backing off of this piece. I'm going to slide it in, and I'm going to just kind of turn it a little bit so I can try to get it manipulated how I need it. So it's just like that. And there you go. That is all there is to it. It is super, super simple, but I think it's a super cute little box. Okay, now to go ahead and finish decorating it, where did my other little strip go? There it is. So I cut another strip of the Botanical Butterfly paper. I just did a 1/2 inch strip of the gingham one. Okay, and all I'm going to do for it, so I'm just going to kind of place it on here, going to wrap it around, and it's going to be way too long. I'm going to fold it over like that, so we'll cut it right like that. Take a little bit of tear and tape for the back. And I just kind of want to wrap that around. Just like that. Okay. Folds a little creased better there. And then I'm just going to take a piece of this paper, okay, with the black and white butterflies on it. I'm going to take my butterfly punch, and I'm just going to punch out a butterfly. Okay. I got to get it centered in my punch here and punch that out like that. Then I like to kind of fold it on both sides of the little piece in the middle so that I can put my adhesive on it. And I like to put just a little bit of liquid adhesive right in the middle and slide him down just a little bit and put that on there just like that. And there we go. There is the super cute little candy holder, okay, that will hold a Ghirardelli chocolate. And like I said, it'll hold Tic Tacs, it'll hold some little fun-sized bags of M&Ms, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So there we go. So I hope that you make some of these. I'd love to see what kind of creations. I'd love to see them all decorated for different holidays. We have Easter coming up, fun stuff like that. And please share my video. Thanks for watching.